Congress President Sonia Gandhi, while addressing the Congress Working Committee meeting, said, "I am, if you allow me to say so, a full-time and hands-on Congress President. I am acutely conscious of the fact that I have been interim Congress President ever since the Congress Working Committee asked me to return in this capacity in 2019. She also strongly advised the G23 to speak to her directly and not through media. I have always appreciated frankness. There is no need to speak to me through media. So let us all have a free and honest discussion, but what should get communicated outside the four walls of this room is the collective decision of Congress Working Committee." She also spoke about the Lakhimpur incident and farms law. She said, "It's been over a year since Teen Kale Kanun were bulldozed through Parliament. Shocking incident at Lakhimpur Kheri recently betrays the minds of BJP, how it perceives Kisan Andolan, how it has been dealing with the determined struggles by Kisan." She slammed the central government and said government is selling off the national assets built over decades. In a statement, she said, "Economy continues to be a cause of great concern in spite of central government's propaganda to make us believe that it is not. Only answer government seems to have for economic recovery is selling off national assets built with great efforts over the decades." She further said that Modi government's single-point agenda of Becho, Becho, Becho has jeopardized the social goals. She said public sector has had not just strategic and economic objectives, it has social goals as well, like empowerment of SC and ST and development of backward areas. But all this is in jeopardy with Modi government's single-point agenda of Becho, Becho, Becho. She further slammed the center on the J&K killings. She said, "In recent days, there have been a sudden spurt in killings in J&K. Minorities clearly have been targeted. This must be condemned in the strongest possible terms. We have done so, and I do so again this morning. J&K has been a union territory for 2 years. The entire responsibility for bringing the perpetrators of this barbaric crime to justice is that of union government. Restoring social peace and harmony and confidence amongst the people in J&K rests with Modi government too. There has always been a broad consensus on foreign and neighborhood policy in our country, but that consensus has been damaged because of PM's continued reluctance to take opposition into confidence in any meaningful manner." She also slammed government on foreign policy and said foreign policy has become diabolic instrument of electoral mobilization and polarization. "We face serious challenges on our border and on other fronts." PM telling opposition leaders last year that there had not been any occupation of our territory by China, and his silence ever since is costing our nation dearly. Congress Working Committee has addressed a meeting today. According to media sources, Congress is most likely to give a go-ahead for an organizational election for a full-term party chief. Discussion on current political situation and upcoming assembly polls.